So today we're at the Beamish Living Museum in County Durham. This is obviously the bowling green. Clubhouse. 1950s village. And typical 50s living room. And the kitchen. And sliding glass doors. Check this bathroom and toilet out. With the drying hanging up over the bath. The bedroom. It's like a school dress. Satchels. The ducks on the wall. China cabinet. Cooking clock. So typical 50s terraced houses along with the police station. The police house. So there's your electric meter for those that remember it. Convenient with money, turn the handle. Typical bedroom. The carpet. It didn't fit. The really floorboards. So just entering the 1900s town, the bakery, the bank over there. And still adding to it at the moment, as you can see. So again, looking at the main street, chemist, garage, sweet shop, tram, and garage workshop. So you get your dolly pegs there, scrubbing board, brand new mangle. What an absolute goodle. Solicitor's office. So this is the old dentist's waiting room where you used to hear that drill and hear people screaming and crying and just put the fear of God in you before you went upstairs. Shower in the bath. Check that toilet seat out and that sink.
I love his toilet and that's become but hers is so long. Is it?
Nice big 4-poster bed. So the old traditional pub. Just gonna have a look inside.
What's that?
And snug. Just down into the tack room. An old bus for you. So down the vault to the bank. The old steam road rollers. So camping back in the day, mainly with the Cubs and the Scouts. Old funfair. That's some size of excavator.
Yeah.
Toilet for two. Sit and have a poo and a chat too. It's your typical shared bedroom. Two brothers, two sisters, a brother and sister. The old central box, some old farm machinery. So a car with its headlights all blacked out, ready for nighttime runs. An old Fordson tractor.
Ja, det kan vara.
Benches. So this is the boys' entrance, the cloakroom. And hang your bags up on them. Just in one of the churches now. Cage with the canaries in. Pigeon coop. Terrace houses for the coal miners. There you go, the old days Hendrix. Coal-fired chicken. So chips made with beef dripping. Been years since I've had these. This is down the coal pit in line.
Hey guys! Sorry. Hi guys.
I'm just checking.
Hello, Mom.
So this is the colliery village, and it started to absolutely chuck it down. The man that went down was just over there. So it's still raining, but now I've got the thatch cottage and then the village church, which is going to head off to now.
Oh, not like how we said that.
So like a lot of buildings in Beamish, they actually come from different places and rebuilt here. So as you can see here, the numbers on the wall, where exactly the bricks were from, some of the pattern. Absolutely amazing feat. Well worth a visit, highly recommend. So just have a look in Beamish itself. We started off 1950s village and went all the way around. That's the funfair. Down to the colliery. All the way around. An amazing place to visit.
Right, we're just going to let people get off the tram first.